Number 7 and 8 on page 261 asks us to find the exact value of each exponential expression, and we'll be using properties of exponents to do that. So number 7, the function is 3 times 5 to the x power, and they're saying that x equals 0. So we'll do a substitution of 0 into the function. So we have 3 times 5 to the 0. And from our properties of exponents, any base to the power of 0 is 1. So we have 3 times 1, which is 3. So that's the answer to number 7. And then number 8, f of x is equal to 6 times 3 to the x, and this time x is equal to -2. So we're going to find f of -2. So we're going to have 6 times 3 to the -2 power. Properties of negative exponents tell us that we really have 6 times 1 over 3 squared. So we have 6 times 1/9. So we get 2/3.